357 species in genus Thymus. The Wonderful World of Thyme, a personal exploration by Ferbvu. The scent of thyme always takes me back to my grandmother's garden. The tiny, fragrant leaves, crushed between my fingers, released a wave of aroma that mingled with the warm summer air. It was a smell that spoke of comfort, of home-cooked meals, and of a love for nature that my grandmother instilled in me from a young age. This early fascination led me to explore the world of thyme, a journey that continues to this day. Thyme, scientifically classified under the genus Thymus, is a treasure trove of diversity. This genus encompasses a vast array of aromatic perennial herbs and subshrubs, each with its own unique characteristics and charm. They belong to the mint family, Lamiaceae, which explains their intense fragrance and culinary appeal. Native to the Old World, particularly the Mediterranean regions of Europe, North Africa, and Asia, thyme thrives in sunny, well-drained environments. A diverse genus. The Thymus genus boasts over 350 species, a testament to its remarkable adaptability and evolutionary success. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just a culinary herb. While thyme is celebrated for its culinary uses, its significance extends far beyond the kitchen. For centuries, thyme has been revered for its medicinal properties. Traditional medicine utilized thyme to treat respiratory ailments, digestive issues, and even skin infections. Modern research supports some of these traditional uses, highlighting thyme's antibacterial, antifungal, and antioxidant properties. Thyme also plays a crucial role in the ecosystem. Its fragrant flowers attract a variety of pollinators, including bees, butterflies, and hoverflies, contributing to the health and biodiversity of the environment. Furthermore, some thyme species serve as larval food plants for certain butterfly species, underscoring their ecological importance. A personal connection. My own journey with thyme has been one of continuous learning and appreciation. I've experimented with different species in my garden, marveling at their resilience and adaptability. I've incorporated thyme into my cooking, discovering new ways to enhance flavors and create culinary delights. And I've delved into the scientific literature, gaining a deeper understanding of thyme's chemical composition and its potential health benefits. But beyond the practical applications, thyme holds a special place in my heart. It symbolizes a connection to nature, a reminder of my grandmother's garden, and a source of endless fascination. The intricate beauty of its flowers, the intoxicating aroma of its leaves, and the resilience of its spirit all serve as a constant source of inspiration. As I continue to explore the world of thyme, I am filled with a sense of wonder and gratitude. This humble herb, with its rich history and diverse applications, exemplifies the interconnectedness of nature and the profound impact it has on our lives. Whether in the garden, the kitchen, or the laboratory, thyme continues to captivate and inspire, reminding us of the beauty and complexity of the natural world.